A lot of people say dropshipping is dead. Dropshipping cannot earn money, I cannot make any sales, I can't make a decent profit, nobody buy things from my store. But you know what? I see a lot of mistakes everywhere. Not just from eBay dropshipping, there are other dropshipping stores that are committing the very same mistakes. And they do it over and over again. They find that their dropshipping business is going down. So today's video is going to be about the 5 biggest eBay dropshipping mistakes. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV. So today I'm going to share with you the 5 biggest eBay dropshipping mistakes. These mistakes are not just for beginners. They are sellers that are already selling on eBay for a very long time, and yet they are still committing these kind of mistakes. I believe if they realize that these 5 mistakes and improve them, they can scale up their business and earn much more from their store. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right to the first mistake. Mistake number 1, slow shipping times. A lot of sellers on eBay offer very slow shipping. You have many competitors outside that are offering really very fast shipping, and you will lose out in this matter. So I understand that a lot of eBay sellers, they are actually drop shipping from China like AliExpress. This is a very common business model. The product will reach their customers minimum 2 weeks time, especially the customers in the US. Now, eBay cherish their buyers a lot and they take care of their buyers. So eBay loves sellers that provide fast shipping. So if your store is having the fast shipping and you're always committing to provide fast shipping to your customer, eBay will rank your product and your store higher, and thus your products will be seen by more customers and more buyers. So in order to tackle this problem, what you need to do is find a local supplier. This is the best solution for you. If your business is based in the US, you can source for a supplier that can promise you the fast shipping. So these are the suppliers that you should be working with. Mistake number 2, a lot of sellers are using commonly used product images. As I browse on eBay store, so here is a good example, fitness band. So you can see that there are 2 listings here and they belong to different sellers. The sellers on eBay like to use back the same image. Picture plays a very important role in your eBay store success. So you need to make your product picture outstanding and different from the rest. This is very important point. Hence, this is my second biggest mistake that eBay sellers like to make. Mistake number 3 is many sellers like to set their profit margin sky high. I understand that you want to make money from selling your product, hence your high profit margin. If your product is new and you start to sell it so high, you may never be selling the product at all. So you have to set your price very competitive. You don't need to be the lowest price, but at least not the highest one. The main objective here is to sell a few of the same items first. So for example, this fitness band that I showed you just now, you can have a very low profit margin at first. So once you are frequently selling this item, eBay will show your item to more customers. So once you catch the momentum of selling this particular product, you can slowly up your price. So do remember to set your profit on the lower side when you first start to sell that product. Mistake number 4, a lot of sellers do not ask their customers for feedback and they never leave feedback for their customer. Why I say this is important, because in order for you to get a top rated seller on eBay, you need to have a lot of good customers feedback. So in order to do this, you have to make the first step. Every time your customer completed the whole purchase, it is highly recommended that you leave a good feedback and a good rating for your buyer. Your buyer will in turn return the favor and give you a good rating. This is always the case. So you have to be fast, especially if you are a new eBay seller. This is very important to get your store rating up so that eBay will show your store to more customers. It's best that once they receive the item, immediately you give them a good feedback. And this is a human psychology. When they receive a good feedback from the seller, even if there's a little bit of complaint on the product, they will still give you a good review. So what happens if the customer didn't return back that good feedback to you? One very good feature on eBay is that you can contact the buyer. So what you need to do is just send a message to the buyer and say, thank you for purchasing with us. We truly hope that you enjoyed our product, and if you do, please leave a positive feedback for us so that we can continue to serve you better. Something like this, okay? 80% of the time, they will return you with a positive feedback. So now to the fifth mistake, which is listing blindly. Many sellers on eBay like to dump in a lot of listings without doing any product research. So their strategy is always just list and there will be some buyers eventually. This is wrong because you are wasting the listing. So imagine this, a buyer goes to your store and see all your items, but your items are rarely being sold. So this one reflects a very bad image on your store. So remember guys, do remember to do a good product research, find products that are in demand. I have a video teaching how you can do a proper product research, and I do have a winning products for you as well. I will leave the link up here or down in the description box below, so do check it out. So that's all for today, my 5 biggest eBay dropshipping mistakes. I intend to revive my Q&A Friday, so do not hesitate to leave me any questions that you have on today's topic. Leave them down in the comment section below. I will answer them on my next Q&A Friday. So I hope to receive some questions, and I will upload a Q&A Friday next Friday. For those that are new here, my name is May. So I'm a stay-at-home mom and I'm doing eBay dropshipping as my main source of income. So most of the time I will share my tips on YouTube. So recently a lot of you were asking me to give you a more comprehensive training video. So I have created a free 3-day video training for you. It will teach you a more in-depth about eBay dropshipping. I will leave the link down in the description box below. So remember to join my free 3-day training, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos in case that you are new to my channel. So that's all for today's video. I will see you next week. Bye bye.